Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to take portrait photos on iPhone. To take it, first of all, open the camera in your device. Once you launch your camera, there you'll see a lot of options. Among them, you have to choose the portrait mode. Just above the portrait mode, you will see one icon. From that, you can use other filters as well, like natural light, studio light, and there are other few options too. So when you click a photo using the portrait, you will have portrait image on your iPhone. So in this very easy step, you can easily take portrait on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.